custom breather box.
Custom brackets for the
Custom brackets
AC
for the radiator.
No AC
For the radiator.
AC condenser.
For the AC condenser. Chad.
Jay, dude, I used to look like you and you used to look like me.
You guys, what you guys did, like?
You might be able to just cut this off if it's
It might fit. I mean, here, look, this will be like right there. So like, you see how close to that it is?
Yeah, it might work.
It actually might just fit, or you might have to trim that, like you said, just a tiny
Like
bit.
just feel like where this is pretty much like right there, and then it should be good.
We can do that tomorrow too. And then put.
You think I should make another bracket going up?
No.
When these hoses are on, Jay, it's
yeah,
not
yeah,
gonna
it's gonna be
shake
tight,
that
yeah.
much. Especially the AN, they like barely flex.
Like it, like it.
Where's that? Where's this?
No flex zone.
So check it out. So we did here was, this is not the actual radiator. We don't even know what this came from. It was just laying down in the shop somewhere. We're trying to figure out what car it comes from. So it actually works perfect because it has a fan sprout bolt here on this side, and it also has it on this side also.
Look at these,
which we use. And then what we did was we cut it and put an AN fitting on here.
Ooh, there you go.
And then we actually made, it came out pretty good because we actually made a bracket right here for it to hold here. We got, and then here, and then
one,
of
and
course,
over there.
yeah, over there also. So
Check it out, guys. Look at these brackets. You guys saw them cutting it out.
it came out good.
But it came out good, yeah.
It came out really good.
The design looks good. I mean, it's not gonna. You can't see, but if you open the hood, I mean, damn.
What? Look at this. Nice AN finish lines.
What you think, huh?
Oh yeah, that's diffused up already.
Fresh and so clean.
Your car. We'll bring your car back. We're gonna do the same thing. So. So right here, it's actually a catch can that we're doing. But this is the top one. Yep. So this is the way how it's gonna go, and then we'll actually show you the finished product. Uses a K&N filter. So we can put this anywhere we want, you know. So this one here is gonna go right here, and then we're gonna build the bottom half to this, and then weld it on. But the top half, you can see we want that billet look, you know, real nice and all that. We can put it anywhere we want. I mean, anywhere, like, you know, wherever. So that's what we're gonna build for right here.
Yeah.
To cover up some of these spots. So
It's gonna be another
this.
billet car.
no, not really. It's just, this is just really just a thrown together, you know.
But attention to details still.
Yeah, exactly. This is just gonna be thrown together. A lot of the stuff here we have here, it's actually just around the shop, you know.
You guys gonna be seeing this in California pretty soon.
Yep.
And it's all done.
So we got to do the rack still. We're gonna make a little bracket for that, because this is actually a manual rack now. We got to fix this thing here. We got to get the right bushing, because whoever we got this car from, they put this the opposite way and they kind of mess everything up. This part here actually goes this way.
Okay.
So we're doing the brake tub this Friday. Hey Johnny's coming over to do the brake tub. So that, what else? And then of course all the harness. We'll do all the harness, and then everything should be ready.
So this car's gonna be like an all-wheel drive car. Just have fun, or
Yeah, exactly.
You're gonna boost it one day, or
No, I probably never get boosted, because we're actually dropping this car off in SoCal, in California, San Diego. So right after this, I gotta show you guys. We're actually doing a juice out from this. So we decided we were gonna use this one, but we're like, man, no. So we're gonna go back with
a smaller one.
Yeah, original what we were gonna do here. So this is around about a little bit over. It's about 10 gallon.
Yeah.
But yeah, about close to 10 gallon. So we're gonna put this on here. Chad actually has the other piece, but maybe in the next video. Oh, here it goes.
Oh, you're gonna use this one.
We're gonna use this. This is actually gonna go inside, of course. Let me take this off. We're not gonna use 2 pumps. We're gonna use 1 pump. So we're just gonna remove. We're gonna remove one of these. So let me just remove both of these for now. We're just showing that it could fit both style pump.
So if somebody want to put 3 pumps on this, could they put 3 pumps on this?
Well, it's only made for 2 because the way the line is. So let me move this out of here. So this is the one pump we're using. Okay, let's just say we're using this AEM pump. Where's the feed? Okay, that's the feed. So we're gonna put it all the way down here because that's exactly where. So we could actually put this anywhere we need it to go. Yeah, put the screen in the bottom, and let's just say it's like this. Okay. Of course, this will have a fitting here, and then the holes will go through here, and then of course the lines and all that. So this actually fits in here like so. See, this is a little bit too long, so we're gonna have to cut this to whatever, yeah, whatever we need to. So the concept behind it, this actually will bolt up to here. This will go into here. Now you have the feed, and then you got the return line here, and then the power, and then we're gonna put the vent somewhere here.
Somewhere there. Okay.
Yeah. So this way here, it's an in tank. We're not using the.
So you didn't want to go with the big tank anymore? Or?
Nah, this is we wanted to do something different instead of doing the same thing over and over. So we want, since it's going to be a daily and all that in it.
Yeah.
Well, not a daily, but an all motor car. We're going to just use an in tank for this one.
In tank, okay.
Yeah.
Listen, guys, yellow EK hatch. This one personal hatchback is coming. It's 10th personal hatchback. 20th.
Yeah.
Check this out, guys. Look at that shroud. Nice. So, Sone.
Yeah.
What? I thought that. No, I forget it.
Wait, you thought what?
Nothing.
I can
nothing.
answer to you.
Okay. I thought these holes defeat the purpose of having.
But it's still gonna suck in.
Okay.
No, it actually, you want to know why?
Yeah.
If it was on the back, it'd be right, but it's on the front. Because it needs the air.
On the back, is you gotta cover it up like. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Custom shroud. You want me to hold it? You got a marker? I'm gonna mark it for you.
No, I'm good. I'm good. I got it. Right there.
Bumper, everything's gonna fit right here. What comes off, everything good.
Right there. Okay. Get a can you go get a
Marker.
A marker?
No, I just. You didn't want it. He's like, no, I'm okay. No.
Okay. Alright, go ahead. Do that one again.
This one's kind of to the side.
Okay, yeah. Okay. What you think? Coming out?
Yeah, that's just up. I'm not gonna say nothing's gonna touch. That should be good right there.
Right there. Look at that, dude.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna leave it like this color.
People are gonna be, oh, where you guys get this? That this could even be a selling point, like this and this for the EK.
Yeah.
This whole thing.
You guys can make a tucked radiator with get them all this made with the hole. Cause we can make all this. But man, look at this. Okay, so we have dash 10 right here, and the way I think it's baffled, it goes down here. There's a blockage right here. It goes all the way down and it comes up here, and then this is actually where the filter is going to go. Yep, and then it has a cover for the filter. Okay. So this is good.
Check it out.
Hey,
Houston, Texas.
Hey, we're going there.
Deer Park.
What is it?
Deer Park. It's close to Baytown.
Oh, Baytown.
Yeah.
Oh, so you live like on the outskirts, more like almost Louisiana.
No, more over here.
More on the other side. Yeah, no, that's
Can you
pretty
guys
cool.
get a kit together from the Alpha 6 Orlas and Delta 7 EG?
Alpha 6.
And,
Yeah.
What chassis you doing?
EG hatch.
EG hatch. Oh, yes, sweet.
EG.
All right, guys, check it out. Check it out, all done up now.
Adjusted this internal pump for the tank. So you see here we have just an AEM pump filter on the bottom, and I've adjusted everything so the fuel's gonna comes up, pressure comes out of the pump, out of this fitting right here, and then this fitting is the return, and the return I just have a little hose on it, and it's just gonna blow down at the bottom of the tank. I still have to get something to seal these wiring in, but the wiring is going to come through. I have it loose right now, but we're going to seal this with like a fuel safe sealer, let's just say.
Okay.
Rubber, yes.
Okay.
And now it's
And of
all
course
adjusted.
you
Yeah,
cut
I
this
cut
from
this, and now you can see I'll put it in here. And now that's it. It's just gonna sit like
Check that out, guys. Our new
just like that. So the reason why this is here is we have it here for a reason, because these two lines are coming this way and they're going around this, and this line is actually the breather for the tank, and this is gonna 90. So these two lines are gonna come this way. This line's gonna 90 on these lines, so everything's gonna be in a straight pattern.
Okay, cool. Woo. Look how good this came out, guys. The master polisher chip. You guys already know this is gonna be the nice breather tank right here.
No. Fuck
See
that,
how it
dude.
scratched the thing right here?
Yeah, I might even put it like right here somewhere.
We'll do it so we can kind of read that.
Read it?
Just so that, I mean, so that you can tip your head in.
So this yellow EK we got here is a K-swap. We're just putting it together, throwing it together with some of the stuff we have here in the shop and all that. You see, we finish up the back end as far as the whole all-wheel drive stuff. We're just getting the rotors. Hey Nova, you want to play? Come on, go. Okay, so we're getting the rotors right now. It's getting powder coated, so everything's done. Next we're doing is the dry shaft. It's actually in the front office. We got to put that on because we finally got the motor back in with some of the stuff. But I'm going to show you what we did.
You guys already seen
Yeah,
these.
we powder coated this, changed out some bushings and all that in here. Clean it up a little bit. Just whatever we had in the shop, we're going to use because got a lot of parts here. Been staying through the year, so.
Gonna lower it down, guys. Show you a little update on the front. What we've been doing.
Okay, yeah. Also, we're waiting on some part that Yoser is painting for us. The whole car didn't get painted, so he's gonna finish up the rest of the parts that needs to get painted. The hood, all the trims here.
The trim's gonna be black or yellow?
It's gonna be yellow,
Yellow.
and then the side
Side
skirt. So I'm gonna show you guys this. I'm gonna show you the fuse cell. So what we did here. So yesterday we made this catch can here. This is billet here. So we finish it up, baffle inside. It's actually gonna run. The line's gonna run here to these two here. What else did we do? We did the radiator.
Nice little tuck radiator. You guys saw
tuck here.
that you
There
made.
was something we found in the shop,
Got
and
some
we just
brackets.
made this little brackets for it to hold. Something a little different. What else did we do? Lines, just cleaning it up. Hey Johnny,
Gonna come tuck it.
yeah, brake tuck by Johnny's gonna come here and knock out the brake tuck for us. So, and then we'll clean up a little bit more here and there. So. That's it basically. It's going to be an all motor. Oh, the fuel system. So that's what we got to do. Once he gets done with the brake tuck, we'll finish up the fuel system on here. So, and then the fuel system.
I showed him yesterday when Chad.
Okay, so this is what we have so far. We didn't want a external pump, so we had this thing here laying around. So we just went ahead and used the in tank. Instead of 2 pump, this is capable of 2 pump, but we're only putting 1 pump. Chad's actually going to be plumbing all the lines, so we're doing an 8 and a 6, 8 feet and a 6 return.
Just in case you gotta
Yeah.
some turbo later.
And then, probably never. It's just going to be an all motor. It's going to be like a little fun car. And then this is the vent. The vent's actually going to go back to here, and it's going to vent out of the. We got that. It's gonna come through here, so and then we'll put all the panels, everything back on. I was thinking about maybe putting a little cage back here also. We actually have one here that's been sitting, so we might just go ahead and just use it. Since
Can you have run AC in this car or no?
No AC.
Oh yeah, you did say no AC. California cool.
More power, baby.
More power.
No power.
We're not gonna get
All right, guys. That's our yellow EK hatch here. That's going to Cali. Stay tuned. We're gonna keep on showing you what we're doing to it. As Sone said, let's put together. We have a bunch of parts of the shop, so we made this in the shop. You guys saw that? Just come together, and it'll be in Cali soon. So we're gonna be taking it to shows in Cali, and we're gonna bring back titanium from Cali to here. So yeah, it's coming. Look at that. like, subscribe. Stay tuned.
All will indeed, almost like a war machine, like it's meant for the infantry, Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple digit speeds, and they got them on the bases. Must be all the innovation. Watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K. This is not your daily S1, all wheels gripping pavement. S1, S1, you gon' want a test run. All wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, S1, you gon' want a test run. All wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, all wheel drive, got the mind of skillings. All wheel gripping, 4-4 wheel gripping. S1, all wheel drive, got the mind of skillings. All wheel gripping, will have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all wheel drive, got the mind of skillings.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1, all wheel drive, got the mind of skillings.
Them wheels are always gripping,
gripping, don't get caught slipping. Even on the straights, yeah, warming up that A6. The Florida got the street cred, we rolling down the street quick. Got that MSD switch, B series or a ZC, and that LSV tech, hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at, yeah, we go to Mexico, racing for the pink slips, and ain't no 12 to catch us, so K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20, MR2, and SXCRX with the K24, reppin' that EF, go back to the days of the HF, DX, the EX, before them green underglows. If you ain't see it, you must be running slow. Say you in something we can't afford, but we got that camera cord that's S1, all wheel drive, got the mind of skillings. All wheel gripping, 4-4 wheel gripping. S1, all wheel drive, got the mind of skillings. All wheel gripping, will have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all wheel drive, got the mind of skillings.
them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1, all wheel drive, got the mind of skillings.
Them wheels are always
will have you
gripping.
gripping, don't get